Hey there, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the fascinating world of ChatGPT, the revolutionary AI language model. Whether intrigued by AI or eager to enhance your conversational AI skills, you're in for a treat. This video is your comprehensive guide to mastering ChatGPT. We'll take you through each step, from the basics to advanced techniques. So, let's get started and uncover the magic of AI conversations. 1. Understanding ChatGPT basics. Begin by getting familiar with the fundamentals of ChatGPT. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and its potential applications in various fields. 2. Interacting with ChatGPT. Experience the excitement firsthand by learning how to interact with ChatGPT. We'll guide you through using the OpenAI platform or the ChatGPT API to converse with the AI. 3. Crafting engaging conversations. Explore the art of crafting engaging conversations with ChatGPT. Learn how to prompt the model effectively and generate meaningful responses that align with the conversation context. 4. Providing context and guidelines. Discover how to provide context and guidelines to ChatGPT for more accurate and relevant responses. We'll show you how to steer the conversation while maintaining a natural flow. 5. Using system and user prompts. Experiment with system and user prompts to customize the AI's behavior. Learn how to use system prompts to set the AI's tone, and user presses to guide the AI's responses. 6. Handling complex queries. Master the skill of handling complex queries and multi-turn conversations. We'll delve into strategies for maintaining coherence, addressing user queries, and providing informative responses. 7. Refining responses. Explore techniques to refine and improve the quality of ChatGPT's responses. We'll cover post-processing, filtering, and iteration to fine-tune the AI's output. 8. Ethical and responsible usage. Understand the importance of ethical and responsible AI usage. Learn how to prevent biased or inappropriate responses and create a positive AI experience. 9. Showcasing AI-powered conversations. Put your skills into practice by creating AI-powered conversations for various applications. We'll guide you through creating entertaining, informative, or interactive AI conversations. Conclusion. Congratulations! You've completed our step-by-step guide to mastering ChatGPT conversations. By following these points, you're well on your way to becoming an AI conversation pro. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI tutorials and tips. Get ready to have amazing conversations with ChatGPT.